Just hours ago, the U.S. Supreme Court handed the Trump administration a win for deportations. Chief Justice John Roberts paused a lower court order from U.S. District Judge Paula Zenas. Paula had issued an order requiring the Trump administration to return Kilmar Abrego Garcia. So who is Abrego Garcia? Abrego Garcia was born and raised in El Salvador and is a Salvadoran citizen. He claims that the Barrio 18 gang tried to extort his mother's business for money and threatened that if she didn't pay up, they would make her sons join the gang. So at the age of 16, he fled his country and entered in the United States illegally. In 2016, Abrego Garcia met Jennifer Stefania Vasquez Sura, who would later become his wife. Fast forward to 2019, Garcia is in a Home Depot parking lot with two other men looking for work as day laborers, and they get arrested by Prince George's County Police. One of the men claimed that Abrego Garcia was a gang member. The Atlantic reports that according to court filings, he offered no proof and police said they didn't believe him. He was never charged with a crime in connection to his arrest. So police then turn him over to Immigration and Customs Enforcement. In the ICE proceedings, the government claimed he was a member of the MS-13 criminal gang because a confidential informant claimed that he was active with the MS-13 group based in New York, and he was wearing a Chicago Bulls hat and a hoodie. In June 2019, while awaiting his deportation proceedings, he married his girlfriend and they had a child together. He and his lawyer fought the allegations and applied for asylum, which was denied because asylum applications must be submitted within 1 year of entering the country. He was released from detention later in 2019 and was granted a withholding of removal by a U.S. immigration judge. This legal protection barred his deportation to El Salvador because he demonstrated a credible fear of persecution there. But he was, of course, taken into custody last month and deported to a high-security prison in El Salvador by the Trump administration, which they say was an administrative error. Since being deported, his family has had no contact with him. The Trump administration still contends he is a member of MS-13, and that's where we stand today. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more unbiased news.